Don't get my small one. I don't look that great right now, but I am currently doing or planning out stuff for exciting things for early next year. Me and my best friend are planning some stuff. I don't want to say or whatever because I don't want anyone like putting an evil eye on it or whatever, but I am so excited for next year because me and my best friend are gonna be doing a lot of fun stuff, and I'm so excited to take you guys with me for that. We'll be going to a pumpkin patch either tomorrow or the next day after tomorrow. Very excited about that. I got a package. I don't know which one this is, but it's heavy. So I'm very excited to open this. Okay. Oh my god! It's from Mixun! Look at all this! And all this! I haven't vlogged in a while just because I honestly have been busy. And I'm really sorry I haven't vlogged, so I might have skipped a week. But yeah, I am all dressed. I don't know if you can see, but I'm wearing this black skirt and long socks that are like warmers. Today we are gonna go do some errands. Not that fun. Maybe we might go to a cafe, but I'm just wishing that we would. Hoping we would go to a cafe. Well, I'm not certain, but we'll see. Most of the time we don't whenever I say that, but we're gonna go do some errands. I need lotion. Girl, she's a vegetable at this point. And I've been just trying to squeeze stuff out of her so I could get lotion. And they don't have that at like a Target or Walmart. So I'm trying to compromise and get the EOS strawberry cream one. I've heard it smells good, although I'm very picky with like strawberry scented stuff just because sometimes it's too artificial and it gives me a migraine. So we'll see about that, but I really want to buy that Vaseline one. I got mine from a TikTok shop. I got two for the price of like $35, which is pretty good. I could do that, but I'll just look in store first. And I barely have bangs now. Honestly, what do you guys think? Should I keep it like this? No bangs? Or should I have my bangs back? But like, when I say no bangs, like I keep it at like this length. Or maybe like this length. Honestly, she's not really even yet. Cause like, look at that. But I don't know, I kind of like it. But at the same time, I feel like a man without my bangs. And not that cute. But I don't know. What do you guys think? But yeah, we're gonna go out. So let's go. Oh my gosh. I feel like I should buy this for when I travel. How much is this? This one's really cute, but I'm a pink girl. And this one's cute. I need lashes. What is this? Hold on. Mango lip balm. Oh. It's cute. Oh, I like the bow, but I don't like the martinis. I just smell it.
The non-stick, yes, right?
Smells like yogurt.
Back from the stores, and I have a little, oh my gosh, I have a little haul for you guys. I got whacked by my bags. I got 2 different lotions. First, I got this lotion, this Korean lotion. I liked the smell of white musk. It doesn't hurt my head, and it's lightweight. I love lightweight lotion because I hate the feeling of sticky lotion. Like, I can't deal with that. That's why I use my Vaseline one. She smelled really good. Like, not that annoying artificial strawberry scent. She's like a kind of like a yogurt scent almost. This one's thicker than that one. I've had the vanilla cashmere version of this and I liked her, but she was a little thick and I had to wait a while for her like dry out. Oh my gosh, I need to go back. I think I will go back. I think I'm gonna go back to Ross either maybe tomorrow or Tuesday. I'm not sure, but this is what I got. This would just be something my mom would have worn in the early 2000s, so I really like this. I love that it's white. And then I got this, a hooded jacket cardigan thing. I love the pattern of a hoodie for the airport, not gonna lie. Not too thick, not too light. I got a medium. I kind of wish I got a small, but since I am layering, it's fine. I really need to fix the situation because what is a half-naked lamp doing on my desk? You guys, I didn't take you guys out with me just because I had to do some errands. Also, y'all, I went to Ross again, but at a different location because they didn't have what I wanted yesterday at certain locations. So I went to another one, and they had it. They had it and more. Got this in small. I think I might exchange the gray one for a small. They only had a medium. It was way too big on me. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. I found her, and in my size too. The thing about Ross is you have to size up sometimes just because it's like smaller for the most part. So I got this. And I got some pajamas. At the other location, they had this one XL, and I was looking for like a small or a medium, and I found a medium, which isn't too bad. I might just roll her up right like this because it's a little loose, but love her, love her, love her, love her. I also got PR from Skin Food. It's their new line of like rice products, and I'm so excited to try this. Anything rice, I love. Like, rice is good for your skin. Gosh, look at how big the rice toner pad is. Toner pads, I love whenever I get toner pads. I just love it because they ran out very quickly. So I'm so excited. And they also sent me a brightening cream, a brightening toner, and serum. We are gonna go to a pumpkin patch today. This is gonna be the second one I've ever been to. This is the outfit. I was wearing a skirt, but I changed into pants because it is about to be nighttime soon and I really don't want to get cold, and I haven't bought the fleece lined tights. So yeah, I'm gonna wear pants. It's so cute though. I'm gonna wear my pink Mary Janes with this. See you at the pumpkin patch.
What?
I feel like I'm gonna get lost. Or it's gonna become a labyrinth. Oh my god. Why are they licking their tongue like that? Oh my goodness, he's having a good sleep. He looks friendly and scary.
What's the name of this chicken? Over 300. You, me, and this pole and me. Let me go ahead and just.
Why are we going so fast is my question. This is not peaceful. I think it's over.
On your way out?
Are you gonna hold on to it off of me?
Oh my god. Wait, it's not that bad. I'm in
the flapper.
That wasn't that bad. I don't know who was complaining.
I know. My room was just clean, but this is clean. I did laundry and I folded it. All I have to do is put them away. So don't say anything. But I didn't end yesterday's activity properly. The last thing you probably saw was me spinning around. But I'm gonna end this vlog with an unboxing of PRs. I got a couple right here. We're gonna start off with these two. I'll do the lightest one first. Purito sent me this. I have a lot of these, so I'm gonna be fully stocked and they'll be part of the giveaway. So I'm so happy about this. Oh my gosh, a face mask. I got sent this face mask. It also comes with the serum version. Now onto the big one from Axis Y. Comes like that. What is this? Try our. Oh, it's a sample. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Little pop sockets. That's so cute. Oh, I get two. That is so cute. I got the dark spot correcting glow serum. I know this is really popular. I've seen a lot of people use this and say it's pretty good. So I'm excited because I got some dark spots right here from post acne. And I got the blemish treatment. Okay. And ooh, sunscreen. Ooh. Thank you so much, Axis Y. So that will be the vlog for now. I know it's not that interesting, but hopefully in the next one it will be. So I'll see you next time.